Alright, we are going to check the boiler for the night. So far, for winter, it's been really warm.
It's still fall.
Fall. We haven't had to use very much wood at all. So it's pretty nice. Coming back here is always nice. If you look up at the stars, you can really see the stars.
We can't see the stars. Yay, warm.
I think it's actually pretty warm out here.
I'm cold. I have nicknamed the boiler Dante for obvious reasons. Dante's hungry. Feed me. Mello! Mello, the homestead cat. Whoops. Maybe you should have your safety glasses on. You could have told me flames were coming at me. I was looking at Mello.
So we put about that much in there.
Oh, I put a lot more than that in there last night.
Yeah, it was still full this morning.
Well, hey, that's...
But normally that's about what I put in there every 12 hours. So it works out pretty good.
Mello. What you doing up there, Mel? Counting the wood? Do we have enough to get through December? What do you think, Mel? He is an expert on the homestead and all things homesteadish. He is the marshmallow.
Was he gonna go on the roof of the
I
wood
think
shed?
he was thinking about it. We're not supposed to be watching. This is what you do all night when we can't find you? Is this starting to make you think of like, making me think of that movie Roxanne, where Steve Martin jumps up trying to get into the window on the second level. How you gonna turn around now, Mel? How you gonna get down, Mel?
Just trying to figure out how to get on the roof.
Well, he acted like he knew what he was doing at first. Mello just has to investigate every square inch of the homestead to make sure that it is good enough for Mel. Is there something up there?
A moth.
Oh.
All right. So checking on the
Well, Mello made that pretty interesting. Whoop! You okay, Mel? Wanna help him down? Alright, Mello. We're going in the house, Mel. Bye, Mel. Come on. You wanna come with?